In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Mafia 2. Check my video description for this mod download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open the trainer folder and open the folder again. Open the trainer and right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop these two folders inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. And once done, go back and open the update 5 and drop these two files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Right click on the launcher.exe and select show more options. Send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch the game through the newly created shortcut. Once you are in game, press the 7 key to open up this mod menu. And you can increase the game speed and reset time and make it as default. Get in the vehicle, go to vehicle and you can customize the vehicle skin. You can damage the vehicle and repair faster. You can turn on God mode and you can save the game. Once you're done, just press the sound key to close this menu and enjoy the game. And that's how you can install mods in Mafia 2. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.